Welcome to Copenhagen. The silver moon is already docked. The first tour begins at 8 a.m. and you can see they're all lined up and ready to go. The early birds. We're eating breakfast on the starboard side of the restaurant, and huge amount of turbines go all the way back, even as far as I can see. That is the most unusual generating station I've ever seen. Only the Danes would build a Copenhagen. The artificial skiing slope and recreational hiking area opened in 2019, built on top of the new Waste Management Center. That was actually designed to take a lift up and ski down. I don't know if it ever happened or not. Back on board at 7 o'clock tonight. And we are disembarking from Deck A today.
We've got a red team go up on.
We've got really big groups, big walking groups. Like 30 people in a walking group. Our guide said that they will happily run you down with their bicycles, so be very careful. There are pickpockets, so wear everything in the front, zip it up, keep your hand on your purse. And even though it is called the second happiest country in the world, she says it's not true. They have a 25% VAT tax. Incredible. A very, very warm welcome to Copenhagen. It is an absolutely magnificent city, and I encourage you to look back on the already uploaded videos from, I think, 5 to 7 years ago, when we had several gorgeous days here. Kroner is the oldest sea fortress in Copenhagen's fortifications, which was built from 1787 to 1827. It was to protect the entrance to the harbor. Everybody comes to see The Little Mermaid. It was inspired by Hans Christian Andersen's fairy tale about the mermaid. Little Mermaid, how about Flounder? Copenhagen is one of the most beautiful cities in the Baltic. It began as a fishing village and boasts more than 850 years of history. It's a kindergarten. Aren't they cute? So cute. That's what we took last time. It has been an important Scandinavian port since the age of the Vikings and remains one of Europe's most enchanting places. As a matter of fact, Denmark is ranked number 2 on the world's happiest cities. Wish I could say that about Chicago. I do not remember if that was the Opera House or not. Our tour is Copenhagen on foot, where we walk around the landmarks and stop to see important places and things. Number 1, we have seen The Little Mermaid before, immortalized by Hans Christian Andersen. On our last trip, I do have uploaded videos about our previous trip to Copenhagen. The poor Little Mermaid is usually swarmed by a gazillion visitors trying to take the perfect photo. That was the Citadel, built in the 17th century. From the Black Watch of Canada, World War I. The Resistance Museum. Denmark, so brave, and a great king, King Christian, who, when the Jews were ordered to wear yellow stars, he said he was going to wear one, and so were all the Danes. Yes, Denmark was one of the few countries that saved almost the entire Jewish population. She said if any of the bikers smile at you, they're smiling because they want to kill you. They want to run you over. This area is called Fredrikstad. And there were warehouses. They would bring everything from the Virgin Islands. Most of those were built for storage. They're now expensive condominiums. I really encourage you to take a boat tour if you come here to Copenhagen. It's one of the newest things. You pedal your way. Some of the sites are the courtyard at 18th century Amalienborg Palace, Copenhagen's largest monument, the fountain. This is Amalienborg. 4 royal families built for mansions. You had to have your own mansion. And that's Frederick in the center. The Queen lives there, but she only lives here in winter. A crown prince lives over there with his wife. A small village existed on the site of the present city by the early 10th century. In 1445, Copenhagen was made the capital of Denmark and the residence of the royal family. The town was often sacked, but during the late 16th century, their trade began to flourish and the city expanded. She said it's an honor to be a royal guard. Our guide talked about King Christian VII. This is a nice world will stay forever. Lutheran. This gorgeous area is Nyhavn. Take a look at my videos up there on YouTube for a better look. I'm not going to redo it again. The Viking bus back to the ship comes every half hour and stops somewhere. That's the shuttle service. This is where we catch the shuttle bus, not that one. The white one back leaves every half hour. Here's Chanel, which I could never afford. Okay. I'm pretty sure I videoed most of this before, but just in case I didn't. Some of these stores are everywhere. The Body Shop. I have a tiny piece from Royal Copenhagen that I bought on my very first trip. It was sometime in the 70s. It rains and stops. It rains and stops. That's what I call a big Prada store. There is the gorgeous, very expensive Hotel d'Angleterre. Never stayed there. They do that. Everybody bikes here. I don't remember the percentage. I think it was well over 75% of the people there. Today was the first day that Steve and I actually did some walking. We walked 5 miles or 10,000 steps. On our last trip, we took the metro. Of course, it's a beautiful, clean metro. Congress Theater. This is the exact way we came. And we are departing Copenhagen. Next stop is Varamunda, Germany, Deutschland. Long day there tomorrow. Some people have 11, 12-hour tours because you have to get to Berlin by train. They have 530 passengers on the Berlin different tours out of the 810 on board. Steve and I are going to Rostock. All my Berlin videos are uploaded on YouTube from our last Berlin visit. Those always look like those Star Wars creatures. Did you know that Copenhagen is linked to Malmö in southern Sweden by a bridge? And that is Malmö, Sweden, right across the way there. According to my ship tracker. And we are heading. Berlin is down there, number 7. That's where Rostock is. That's Germany, Deutschland.